Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today I'm on my way to visit a very special shop that's situated on the east coast of Scotland. It's called the Flower Pavilion, which might give you a little hint as to what's very special about this shop. Thank you for letting us come and visit your shop. That's been 8 years that you've been doing the shop.
That's
and
right.
Before, you were in a totally different career, weren't you?
Yes,
What was that?
I did books and accounts. I always look for something different. I think I've got a name now for that. Go there, you'll get something different. Or even, it might be a carnation, but it's in a totally different colour. One of the newer colours.
Yeah.
I like all the tones and the variations.
I think you've got a very unique selling point in the sense that the pavilion is obviously an old bowling club and it's unique in itself, but then you've got that uniqueness in how you buy and purchase and present flowers in a different way. Do you think social media has attracted young people to flowers? Because a lot of people think of flowers as being maybe more appealing to older people.
No,
but
I think it has, John.
Good.
I think it's changed the landscape of it. But no, I do think there's a younger person is interested.
Yeah, good.
Definitely.
Now, this is maybe a question. When I started my business, being self-employed really changed me as a person. Now, obviously, before you had a totally different career. Has running this shop and being in charge of your own business changed you?
Yes, for the good.
For the good?
Yeah. I think it's just been around people more. And I mean, I've made connections just in the shop that I wouldn't have made otherwise. People come in and you just chat and you begin to learn stuff about people and they'll open up a little bit. And I think, yes, I do feel that it's just made me a different person, much more all round and just, I don't know.
Makes you more outgoing.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yes, it does probably do that as well. I can only see changes for the good.
Yeah, perfect. If you were going to give a top tip, what would your top tip be? That's maybe a bit open.
It's too open. It's too open. Well, I would say do it the way you want to do it.
Perfect.
Don't think you have to do it a certain way. Yeah, maybe I didn't have enough confidence sometimes just to do it my way.
Yeah.
It takes a bit of...
Yeah, you've got to have a confidence to just grab that thistle, haven't you?
Yes, yeah. So I think maybe just, do it the way you want to do it. Be true to yourself and do it the way you want to do it.
Perfect. So do you do workshops as well?
Yes, we do. Our Christmas wreath workshops are really well liked and attended. It's great in here at Christmas time. We can make it look really nice and twinkly and set it up really prettily and have, mulled wine and shortbread. And it's lovely. And then I try and do a seasonal workshop.
Yeah.
If the wedding season's alright, because sometimes you're just too busy and fitting in a workshop as well. You just think,
It's not practical.
but we do like to offer workshops. We do, and because we've got our lovely veranda outside.
Yeah.
I try and do every so often, every couple of months, just a Saturday morning, drop in little session on the veranda. We did spring wreaths. We've done, we're coming up to doing our mini pumpkins.
Yeah.
So that's good on a Saturday morning. Come along, we'll sit outside on the veranda and we'll make something. And that's
Yeah.
quite nice, just a little pop-in session.
Yeah.
We've got the perfect space here.
Yeah, I'd just like to say thank you very much for letting us have a look at your shop.
Oh, thank you for coming. I love my shop and it's nice that other people might see it.
Perfect.
Thank you, John.
Thank you. So thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was something a little bit different. It's really nice to go and visit shops, especially when they're a little bit unusual or a little bit of an unusual setting. Let us know in the comments below what you thought, what you liked most about Linda's shop. What I'll do is I'll post her website details in the description of this video, and if you're looking for a little bit more inspiration, we'll post a link for one of our previous designs there. So until next time, we shall see you soon.